Hello everyone, Junebug with Junebug CV Repair. Gonna do a really quick video. This is a Straight 6, was a Fat Boy 4-pill, Straight 6 mobile. Got a Texas Star 350. 1000-watt slug, peak reading mode, center position. That won't work. Go to 2X. Ella. 5X. Ella. Hello, audio. Hello. Good solid $2,000. Going to 5X, so that's reading like a 5,000-watt slug. So it'd be the center scale. 20 would be 2,000, 10 would be 1,000. I'm playing with the dead key a little bit. Hello. Alright, there you have it. 6-pill BMK amps, bump.